This question asks, which choice most effectively combines the two sentences at the underlined portion? So your two sentences are, typically the ice sheet begins to thaw, to show evidence of thawing in late summer. And the second sentence says, this follows several weeks of high temperatures. Alright, so let's look at A. This would say, typically the ice sheet begins to show evidence of thawing in late summer, comma, following several weeks of higher temperatures. That sounds pretty decent. Let's see if we can find a better one. B says, typically the ice sheet begins to show evidence of thawing in late summer, comma, and this thawing follows several weeks of higher temperatures. Also grammatically correct, but I think A does a better job just because it uses fewer words. So right now I think A is winning. Let's go to C. Typically the ice sheet begins to show evidence of thawing in late summer, comma, and such thawing follows several weeks of higher temperatures. Pretty much the same thing as B, right? Grammatically correct, but it adds just as many words as B, so A is still winning for me. And then let's look at D. Typically, the ice sheet begins to show evidence of thawing in late summer, and this evidence follows several weeks of higher temperatures. Yeah, it's not the evidence that follows, it's the thawing that follows, so D is a little weird in that way too. So I think right now, A is your best choice.